As the world's economic and trade integration spread across the globe, China's economy has leaped forward. China's manufacturing has embarked on the world stage. Jinan Tonsen Equipment Company Limited follows the development of the time and walks in the forward of the world. The company was founded in 2016, and our registered capital has been up to 5 million. Jinan Tonsen Equipment Company Limited is an international comprehensive enterprise specializing in the development, production, sales, technical support, and service of beer equipment and wine equipment. We are located in Jinan City, Shandong Province, China, and the factory covers an area of nearly 5,000 square meters. Tonsen Company introduces the advanced German beer technology, equipped with industry-leading of equipment, include automatic longitudinal seam and girth welding equipment, large automatic polishing equipment, automatic laser cutting machine, spinning equipment, automatic welding equipment, CNC lathes, milling machines, guillotine shear, bending machine, and other high-end manufacturing equipment. Adopt imported high-quality sanitary stainless steel material. Follow strict production processing. We produce fermentation equipment with excellent performance, luxurious appearance, smart and cheap. 100% full TIG welding with pure argon, shielding, once welding, two-sides protection. Comb bottom, laser cutting, milling sieve blade is detachable. Easy to clean and detachable spray washing ring. Back pressure brewing unit with specially designed CIP nozzle, which benefit cleaning of false bottoms. Tanks are equipped with complete stainless steel 304 heavy-duty legs, building shadowless manholes for good insulation to keep cool. Advanced dimple plate jacket expands the cooling area for better cooling. Glass manhole, lever-type butterfly valve, LED sight glass, shockproof pressure gauge, mechanical pressure regulating valve, 360-degree CIP rotary washing bowl. Company CE certification, SGS certification, stainless steel material. Main leaders have more than 10 years of industry management experience. Registered capital is 5 million, covers an area of 5,000 square meters, has more than 100 employees. Most engineers have more than 20 years of working experience in beer equipment industry. Perfect service system to create better value for customers. Jinan Tonsen Equipment Company Limited welcomes friends from all over the world to visit our factory.